sobrang naging mainit yung rap battle na yon. Yun yung pinag-usapan ng taong bayan. Ganong katindi yung naging conflict nyo. Paano kayo naapektahan nung rap battle week na yun?
Sa friendship talaga, mas naging ilang. Specifically, may lamat.
During that time?
Oo naman.
Especially during that time?
Yes.
Kasi...
Tinatanong ko.
Kasi iniisip ko lang, baka hanggang ngayon ba meron?
Hindi, wala na.
Like, natapos na ito
Grabe
na yun.
naman,
For
sobrang
you.
OA naman.
That's good, diba? How about you?
During,
Oo.
sabi ko nga sa dami ng pinagdaanan ko sa life ko, that was the worst. Kasi naging close talaga kami na Fiang before the rap battle. We were already there and then biglang bumagsak
Again,
lahat.
from the...
As in zero. Like,
Yeah.
crush talaga lahat. That was really hard emotionally, mentally. I can't. The
Parang,
friendship.
actually, kahit sa loob ng bahay ni Kuya, grabe na yung tensyon. Dahil, syempre, hati-hati yung opinion nyo rin, di ba? Hindi lang naman to tungkol dun sa naging debate. Pero, ang pinag-uusapan talaga, anong mangyayari dun sa pagkakaibigan nila? And dumating yan sa labas ng bahay ni Kuya, sa outside world, social media, ang tindi, ang sakit ng mga binitawan na ng salita. At sana hindi ma-experience yun ng kahit sino. Pero since nangyari na, briefly pag-usapan natin. Jazz ang nakaranas ng bashing. Paano mo siya hinandle?
Ay, hindi ko siya hinahandle. I don't mind. I feel like I understood the situation where people were coming from. That's why I said when I left Kuya's house, I was satisfied with my journey because I went through so much, but I ended up there was forgiveness. Pag biglang sa labas, wala na. They will instantly close their eyes, close their ears, create so much narrative, ride onto the hate train. So parang there's no point in defending myself also. There's no point in sharing my part because they don't want to listen. If they don't want to listen to you, no matter how many good things you do, it's bad for them. So I just don't. Mas fina-focus ko na yung energy ko on the positivity, on the people supporting me. Kasi ang dami din.
Well, again, the reason why I'm asking this is not to open up the wounds, but it's more of learning. And finally now, nabibigyan tayo ng pagkakataon na pag-usapan to. How about you, Fiang? Hanggang ngayon, may nakuha ka pa bang mga komento patungkol dun sa nangyari na rap battle?
Mahilig talaga ako magbasa ng comments. Yeah, libangan ko siya. Every time na may gusto kong panood yung video, kahit pangit, wala akong pakialam. Parang nasanay na din ako na magbasa ng mga hate comments. Parang kasing ikakabuti ko din.
So at least, that's okay. It took some time,
Yeah.
diba? Na naayos nyo yung relationship nyo. At yan yung actually curious kaming lahat. Kailan, saan, at kung sino ang una na nagsabi ng, I'm so sorry.